Welcome to Brussels, the vibrant and cosmopolitan capital of Belgium. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this captivating city is a delightful fusion of rich history, cultural diversity, architectural wonders, and mouthwatering cuisine. From its famous landmarks to its charming neighborhoods, Brussels offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the essence of this remarkable city. The Grand Place is a must-visit destination in Brussels, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This picturesque square, with its stunning Gothic architecture, serves as the city's focal point. You can admire the intricately designed guildhalls, the magnificent town hall, and the opulent King's House. During summer evenings, the square transforms into a magical setting with the Brussels by Night light show, captivating visitors with its colorful illumination. The Grand Place is a treasure of Brussels, representing the city's history, prosperity, and culture. As a medieval market square dating back to the 13th century, it was a gathering place for merchants, politicians, and residents, as well as a venue for festivities and celebrations. Today, it attracts tourists from around the world as a popular tourist destination. As soon as you step into the Grand Place, you will be awestruck by its grand ambience. The guildhalls exhibit a variety of architectural styles, showcasing the art and architectural trends of different periods in Brussels' history. These buildings are renowned for their lavish decorations and exquisite details, exuding a unique charm. The town hall stands as the centerpiece of the square, with its soaring spires and majestic facade that leave visitors in awe. Additionally, the King's House is an elegant building with a splendid facade, showcasing the opulence and power of the nobility. During summer evenings, the Grand Place offers a mesmerizing experience with the Brussels by Night light show. Thousands of lights illuminate the square's buildings and sculptures, creating a magnificent play of colors and shadows. This spectacular light show elevates the beauty of the square to a whole new level, leaving visitors enchanted. Surrounding the Grand Place, you will find numerous historic cafes, restaurants, and shops, offering opportunities to relax, savor local cuisine, and indulge in shopping. You can try Belgian beers, enjoy traditional Belgian dishes, or purchase exquisite handicrafts and souvenirs. A visit to the Grand Place is a journey through Brussels' rich heritage and architectural splendor. It is a place where history comes alive and where the heart of the city beats. A culinary journey, Belgian chocolate and waffles in Brussels. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds on a culinary adventure in Brussels. Indulge in the world-famous Belgian chocolates, meticulously crafted by generations of master chocolatiers. Take a stroll through the enchanting Sablon district, also known as the Chocolate District, and savor exquisite chocolate pralines and truffles. And of course, don't miss out on the delectable Belgian waffles with a variety of toppings, served piping hot from street vendors. Belgian chocolate and waffles are undisputed highlights of the culinary scene in Brussels. The city is renowned as a paradise for chocolate lovers, with numerous artisanal chocolate shops and irresistible desserts. When it comes to Belgian chocolate, quality is paramount. Skilled chocolatiers carefully select the finest cocoa beans from around the world and use traditional techniques to create delicious chocolates. The result is a symphony of delightful flavors, textures, and aromas that transport you to chocolate heaven. One of the best immersive Belgian chocolate experiences is found in the Sablon district. This picturesque neighborhood is home to some of Brussels' most esteemed chocolate boutiques, where you can witness these exquisite chocolates firsthand. As you walk along the cobblestone streets, the rich aroma of chocolate wafts through the air, enticing you into these exquisite establishments. Once inside, you'll be greeted with an array of meticulously crafted pralines, truffles, and chocolate bars, each a miniature work of art. The chocolatiers take great pride in their creations, infusing them with unique flavors such as salted caramel, raspberry fillings, and speculoos biscuits. Let the smooth chocolate melt in your mouth as it releases its rich and complex flavors. For a truly immersive experience in the world of Belgian chocolate, consider participating in a chocolate workshop or tasting session. Here, you'll have the opportunity to learn about the chocolate making process from cocoa bean to chocolate bar. Professional chocolatiers will guide you in mastering the intricate techniques of tempering chocolate, creating fillings, and shaping your own chocolates. It's a hands-on experience that deepens your appreciation for this beloved delicacy. Of course, no culinary journey in Brussels would be complete without tasting the iconic Belgian waffles. These delectable creations are a symbol of the city's street food culture and are beloved by locals and visitors alike. Made from a light and fluffy batter, they are perfectly cooked in specialized irons, resulting in a golden crispy exterior and a soft interior. You'll find waffle stands throughout the city, especially in popular tourist areas like the Grand Place and St. Catherine District. These stands offer a variety of toppings for waffles, ranging from the classic powdered sugar and whipped cream to more indulgent choices like fresh fruits, chocolate sauce, or speculoos biscuit spread. As you take your first bite, you'll experience a delightful interplay of textures and flavors. The crispy exterior, soft interior, and delicious toppings come together in perfect harmony, satisfying your taste buds. Pair it with a rich Belgian hot chocolate or freshly brewed coffee for the ultimate culinary pleasure. In conclusion, Brussels is a paradise for food enthusiasts, especially those with a sweet tooth. Whether exploring the Sablon district and tasting exquisite chocolates or indulging in warm waffles on the streets, the culinary journey in this city will leave a lasting impression. When you savor Belgian chocolates in Brussels, you're not just attracted by their deliciousness but also by the tradition and craftsmanship behind their creation. Each piece of chocolate is a masterpiece crafted with care and creativity by chocolatiers who infuse their heart and soul into every bite. And Belgian waffles are a classic street food delight, with their aroma and flavor that leave you wanting more. Moreover, user. Continue. ChatGPT. Moreover, Brussels offers other culinary experiences awaiting you. You can try Belgian beer, as the country is known for its wide variety of brews with rich flavors, allowing you to explore its rich brewing tradition. Additionally, Brussels is renowned for its exquisite seafood, cheese, and other traditional delicacies that will provide you with unique gastronomic experiences. Each dish will take you on a journey of flavors. Lastly, as a city with a rich history, Brussels boasts many restaurants and cafes with unique charm, blending modern creativity with traditional flavors, offering you a distinct dining experience. Whether you're a chocolate enthusiast, dessert lover, or a culinary adventurer, Brussels will satisfy your food cravings. The city is famous for its diverse culinary culture and unparalleled Belgian chocolates and waffles. So when you visit Brussels, make sure to immerse yourself in the experience and fully enjoy the unique offerings of this culinary paradise. Prepare to be charmed by one of Brussels' most famous landmarks, the mannequin piece. This small bronze statue of a little boy urinating has become an emblem of the city's irreverent sense of humor. Don't be surprised to find the cheeky statue dressed in different costumes on special occasions. Discover the stories and legends surrounding this iconic symbol and capture a selfie with this mischievous character. The mannequin piece, which translates to Little Man P in English, is a beloved and quirky symbol of Brussels. This small statue, measuring just 61 centimeters tall, depicts a naked little boy urinating into a fountain. While the statue may seem unusual at first glance, it holds a special place in the hearts of the locals and has become an iconic landmark of the city. Legend has it that the statue represents the bravery of a young boy who urinated on a burning fuse, preventing an attack on the city during a historical siege. Another tale tells the story of a lost child who relieved himself in a prominent spot, and the statue was erected in his honor. Whether these stories are true or not, the mannequin piece has captured the imagination of visitors for centuries. One of the delightful aspects of the mannequin piece is its collection of costumes. This mischievous statue is known for being dressed in various outfits, which are changed regularly. These costumes range from traditional folk attire to replicas of famous historical uniforms, and even contemporary outfits representing different cultures and professions. The changing costumes add an element of surprise and humor, reflecting the playful spirit of Brussels. The mannequin piece is not the only peeing statue in Brussels. You can also discover the Genie piece, a smaller female version located near the famous Delirium Café, and the Zinnik piece, a dog urinating statue situated in the Zinnikaplein Square. These statues further demonstrate the city's light-hearted and irreverent nature. When visiting the mannequin piece, be prepared for crowds of tourists trying to catch a glimpse of this beloved icon. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the statue and its humorous expression. Don't forget to capture a photo with the mannequin piece, as it makes for a fun and memorable souvenir of your time in Brussels. In addition to its charm and quirkiness, the mannequin piece also serves as a symbol of Brussels' independent spirit and its willingness to embrace unconventional art. It represents the city's unique character and sense of humor, which is evident in various aspects of Brussels' culture and daily life. The mannequin piece is a testament to Brussels' ability to celebrate its history and traditions while maintaining a playful and lighthearted atmosphere. It is a must-see attraction that encapsulates the city's distinctive personality and adds a touch of whimsy to your visit. So, make sure to include a visit to the mannequin piece in your itinerary when exploring Brussels. Witness the charm and wit of this quirky icon, and embrace the laughter and joy it brings to both locals and visitors alike.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.